Guys, kabaluba mo na naay dessert shop diri sa downtown na nagaserve og gelato, naapod sila'y drinks, yogurt, ug daghan pang klaseng desserts. This is Sprinkles Frozen Treats. Hello again guys, uban nami sa ko ang family as we check out Sprinkles Davao. It is located at Pelayo Street, corner Rizal Street, and same compound ra na siya guys sa Bramble. Here's a quick video sa ilang menu guys. Feel free to pause it na to check out all their dessert offerings. Here's a quick tour of their place. Simple lang siya guys, pero very dainty. Diri na punta sa exciting part sa ako ang video, ang tilawan ng amuang gipang order. And let's start with the gelato guys. These are the flavors of gelato na available during our visit. And pangalan pa lang daan guys, mouth-watering na kaayo sila. Syempre mauna ako anak, so we got him the chocolate milkshake and he liked it very much to the point na dili siya halos mag-share. Eventually, nag-share po siya and we both liked this flavor. I was able to try all the flavors available that night. And to be honest guys, tanang flavors na natilawan ako, lami baya gyud in fairness. Pero the flavors that really caught my attention was this one. First was the ube. It was really good. Next kay ang pistachio, no wonder bestseller ni nila guys. Lami gyud kaayo siya. If you follow me on TikTok, kabalo mo na dili ko strawberry fan, pero this one, this strawberry gelato did not disappoint. And plus points kay ning Belgian crispy waffle na topper dere sa gelato. Ganahan jud kay ko ani niya guys. Next na pud natong i-try is the yogurt. So these are the toppings to choose from. Daghan-daghan pud baya siya guys. And when I tried their yogurt guys, in fairness, it was really good. It was so good na naka-happy dance good si Disco of Davao guys, legit. And in fairness, dugay na siya nagmelt ha. Next na pud na mong gitry is their bubble waffle with mangoes and cream gelato on top. Ako sa gitry first ang mangoes and cream na gelato and legit guys, lasang manga na fruit gud siya. As for the bubble waffle, wala jud ko na disappoint guys, sakto ra gud iyahang pagkaluto. Sa drinks na pud ta guys, starting with the caramel Spanish latte for 160 pesos. As a caramel and Spanish latte na fan, this one did not disappoint. It's a must try. Another surprise of the night is this strawberry fizz for 115 pesos. Again, I'm not a strawberry fan, but when I tried this one, perti niya kalami guys, as in walay char. Guys, mag-overall rating na pud ko dere sa Sprinkles Davao. I give their food, or should I say dessert, 100 out of 10. No char good guys, wala gyud ko na disappoint sa amo ang gipang kaon. As for the place, I give it 8 out of 10 kay medyo limited lang gyud ang parking spaces. Pero makapark lang magyapon mo sa nearby streets diri sa downtown. And before I forget, pwede di mo mag-board games diri, mag-surrender lang mo og isa ka valid ID and pwede na ninyo ni siya magamit and there's no time limit. Sprinkles Davao, you deserve a Disco of Davao happy dance from me. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and until the next one, bye-bye!